Hi guys, today we're playing Roblox Flood Survival, and as you can see we're in a castle and we just survived a flood. I was just going to say a disaster. Well, I guess it's a disaster. So let's do this. This is not what I think is a good shelter. Oh, why do I go to there? Oh. Actually, I think the trees look really fun. I don't agree now. They're probably the worst thing I want to go on now. Because I'd probably died if I went to the left top corner one. So it's good I didn't change my choice. And I still haven't died yet. Wow, this might be a bit hard. Please say this is big enough. Well, tall enough, not big enough. And please say they are well made together. Especially this. It should be good because apparently they're made out of bricks, which will be a lot safer than just having like... I thought that was gonna tip for a second. Come on. What is it? Fortress! I'll see if it is a fortress. Well, it's kind of a fortress. It doesn't have back walls, which is quite dangerous, really. Why did I just jump that? Okay. Wow. I just jumped in the water. Why did I even try that? I'll have about 10 goes. Oh, 9 goes, so about 5 more. Because that's my 4th go. So I'll probably have about 9, yeah. Why is it the fortress again? I want a different map, please. At least if there's nothing, I'll probably like a map that we haven't played, like the last map. Okay, go. Do not jump anymore, okay? Do not try parkour like that decided. He was on. I was going to say it's lucky, but he just popped right in front of me. Is it just me and guess 2630? Yep. So my 6th go this is, and is it the fortress again? So I'm not going to jump that anymore, or shall I be risky? I probably won't want... Did he just drop that? I thought he just dropped that. I could get it. He just popped right in front of me, well, behind me. How does he have no legs? That's mental. Okay, I'm first on the leaderboard. No, I'm not. Because, oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I know I am. Yep. Yep. Done it again. Just jumped in the water. That's just... I don't get how I do that. I might have a few more go and tries Fan 9 because I wanted to build a long video, really. How did one survive that? I thought everybody would survive that, apart from me. What was it? Wasteland again. I remember not... Oh. I'm going to follow that guy. I am, because I think he was the one who survived. I bet you have to stay. Actually, no. No. Oh, that was very close. I can't believe... Blockage. How good... Oh, this is getting so close. That, like, ladder really leads it. How will they surviving when I didn't survive on there? Well, to be honest, I did jump in the water. And I've just realised it says a wave. Which for cars where I've already played this one. What you have to do, you don't go to it right at the top. But what you do is you kind of get to this, like about there or here I normally go. Because if you go to the top, you have a chance of falling off. Well, you do here if you just jump off. But if it falls down, you won't just ping off. You won't. Like this, if you're standing up there, you could ping off. They're just really risking their lives, but they were lucky up there they were. Normally you should go at like the second highest level. Look at me 12. Me 12. Can you just get up, please? Thank you. Look, there actually are windows. Are they? Okay. I might be able to fall through them. Okay, that's getting quite deep. Not as deep as me, though. I'm on the top layer. I bet if I walk across there or jump, I could fall off. Look, I almost did. I just almost went through the window. I thought my building fell off there. School. Well, I've never played that one before, but luckily my school will be destroyed. And it doesn't really look like a school, really. There's no seats or chairs, whatever. Or any tables, or no handwriting books. So where shall I go? I think stay here. Yeah, I knew it. That was the decision to make. So the next map, camp. How do I just land on it? Well, to be honest, it looks like I'm just gonna fall off. Yeah, like a little bit of my foot is off the thing. Should I risk it? Why did I even risk it? Look at my chat about Dan TDM. There. But that's what we but I'll just play one more. That Kes just there's something wrong with that guest. I'm not really following my rule that much. Why am I in first person? So I've got a badge. Max Firebrand's sword, whatever it said. This is the last one I'll play. So you see if I can survive the last one. Should I be risky and do that jump? Yep, I am. I know I'm not. I might fail, but oh, that's close. Look, I stopped. Oh, that guest is being quite risky there. I'm gonna block him. So we survived the last one. So that's the end of our video. I would like you to subscribe, and we'll see you all later. Bye.